Hey, my name is Misha, and I'm a bathroom renovation contractor. My wife and I design and build bathrooms. I absolutely love construction, and I absolutely love making videos about construction. And I'm going to do a daily vlog of our next project, hopefully to inspire some people to get into construction, just because I personally know how much fun it is and how beautiful of a job it is, and it's one of the most underrated jobs and careers out there, and I'm going to highlight it. And the bathroom that we're designing and building is one of the coolest bathrooms that we have done as well. So I hope you guys can follow our journey, and let's kick off day one of our vlog. Alright, so I just picked up my stone, and anytime I'm getting my stones, I'm gonna get one of these 1-inch pads. I mean, I've used this one a couple of times, but you don't really want to put your stone pieces right on your truck bed, because then it's too like hard on it, I guess. And this does help with transport. And then there's just some bubble wrap that they give you to kind of put in between this stuff right there. You save a ton of money picking this stuff up by yourself and installing it, and we'll get into install it in a second. Also, so this is called a remnants yard right here. Basically, anytime you have a big piece like this that they'll be using for your countertops, for your kitchen countertops, there's always a section in the middle that gets cut out. And for them, this is all this waste right here. So they will sell you these for your bathroom, like vanity tops, at a much cheaper cost. All right, so just got our stone. We'll let this guy pass. So one of them is a natural stone, and then the other one is a quartz stone. The quartz stone is indestructible. They're so stupid strong. But the natural stone, they are inheritably, they're more brittle. So that's the only one that I'm a little sketched out about. So you want to make sure that you're not like just hitting bumps as you go along the way. Typically Catherine does these runs for us in our company, because it is like an hour and 10 minutes away. But our kids are a little sick right now, so it's going to be me running this. Our day is kind of getting a little torpedoed right now, but the goal for today is to close out this bathroom for them, so then they have a functional bathroom. So then tomorrow we can get into the demoing process. I'm so excited for you guys to see us demoing that bathroom and just following that entire build. So let's hope that we can make it without breaking anything. All right, so we're at Lowe's. I'm gonna grab a toilet. I'll show the most standard toilet that we always get. Like if somebody's like, hey, go get a toilet, here's the toilet that we get. All right, got our stuff, got our toilet, and now we're off to our actual job site. It's a 45-minute drive, and you know, it's super easy to get just like annoyed and discouraged. It's 11 o'clock. I left my house at 7:30. It is what it is. As long as you're trying your best and you're not like, you know, going to the driving range in the middle of the day, like you're doing your best. And some days are just not as productive as other days, and you have to cut yourself a break and keep that positive mindset. Because like, you know, I'll get to work at 12. I want to make sure that from 12 till 4, I have good frame of mind and I'm positive about it, and then I can get work done. If I come in and I'm like guns blazing, pissed off. Alex will be upset, I'll be upset, and the work probably won't be done as good as I can do it. So it is what it is. As long as you're doing your best, you're doing your best. All right, so let me show you the bathroom that you guys are going to be following during my vlog. This is the master bathroom that we're going to start demoing tomorrow. Basically, all of this is going to go. We're going to keep the ceiling. There's really no reason for us to demo that. But the shower is getting completely rebuilt. Sick walk-in shower, glass panel situation, tile tub, and then this whole wall here is going to get tiled. Large format tile on the floor, heated floor. So it's going to be really, really cool. And my goal is for you guys to see it, get snippets out of it, and then be able to do your own. But today, let's go and finish up the other bathroom so we can get to this one tomorrow. We're cutting the trim, and I also wanted to introduce you guys to Alex. So he's my helper, right-hand man. He's the guy that gets to work on time and gets things set up. Correct. All right, I'm gonna show you how to cope trim. Check it out. All right, so I just wanted to make that cut right there around it, and this blade is just so dull. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's just no shot I can do it. So I'm gonna run over to the hardware store. It's like a couple miles away. Grab new blades and cut that, because this curve on this side, it's curved, and I want it to be as nice as possible. And if I hack this up, everything we did here would be for nothing. So I'm gonna go get it. Anytime I get these, like the oscillating blades, they are so expensive. I don't get why. It's just so expensive. $36 for 3 blades, $12 a blade, and they always suck. If you hit the slightest nail, it just goes dull. This is why like everybody always tries to get the most out of their old ones, like to a point where it's like smoking, you know what I mean? Bang! Anytime you buy this, you're like, oof. All right, I guess we just did that. So the vanity is in. Tomorrow, once all this cures up, we're going to do the faucet. The toilet is all in. The toilet is all in, so really all the stuff is the transition and then the door. Skadoosh. So it's 3:30. Gotta head home. So like my son is a little sick. He's got an ear infection. So I gotta go and help out Catherine with them. Just, it's hard, you know, we have 2 young boys, and I try to hustle harder even at the family thing than I do at work. Because if you're good at home, the work stuff is easy, you know what I'm saying? When you're good coming home and you don't have to worry about anything else, that's easy. So try to hustle just as hard as you do for family time, as hard as you do for your business hustle, and then life is much more fun. So this was our vlog for today. Tomorrow we're gonna get to start to do demo on the other bathroom, and then start that whole process for you guys to follow. And I can't wait for you guys to see and hopefully learn like 2 things. All right.